Maya and Momo are excited to explore the Extreme Environment exhibit. They want to learn how robots use components like actuators, cameras, sensors, and batteries to operate in the toughest places on Earth and beyond. The robots also rely on AI and control systems to make decisions in these challenging environments. The deep sea is a dark, cold, high-pressure world. Robots like Nereus use pressure-resistant hulls to withstand the immense pressure. They move with the help of propellers and use cameras and sonar sensors to see in the dark. Robotic arms assist them in collecting samples, while powerful batteries provide the energy needed to operate for extended periods. In space, robots like Curiosity operate on Mars, where the conditions are harsh. Curiosity uses solar panels and nuclear batteries for power. Its wheels and suspension help it move over rocky terrain, while cameras and sensors allow it to study the Martian surface. Actuators power its movements, and its control system along with AI helps it navigate and complete tasks on its own. In polar regions, robots like Boaty McBoatface explore icy waters. They are equipped with cold-resistant electronics, rechargeable batteries, and ice-breaking tools to navigate through frozen landscapes. GPS and sensors guide them through blizzards, while cameras collect critical climate data. Rescue robots like eels are equipped with lidar, thermal cameras, and high-density batteries for long missions. They use actuators to move through debris, and their communication systems send real-time data to rescue teams. These robots are critical in finding survivors and assessing damage in dangerous environments. Robots are becoming smarter, with AI, deep learning, and computer vision allowing them to make decisions, adapt to new conditions, and even repair themselves. This will enable them to explore deeper oceans, distant planets, and harsher terrains. For example, NASA's Dragonfly will explore Titan, Saturn's moon, navigating its icy surface and methane atmosphere. Future deep-sea robots will use AI to explore underwater landscapes and make real-time decisions. As they leave the exhibit, Maya and Momo are inspired by the robots they've seen, pioneers exploring, rescuing, and redefining what's possible. Filled with excitement, they eagerly anticipate a future where robotics continues to unlock new frontiers and protect our planet.